Talaga ba? I really appreciate it. Okay, guys, I think I am too much to ba. Can someone help me naman? Anyone? 1K only, please. Even 50-50 pesos only. 50-50 beans. It's okay for me. Hi, Flurry. Welcome to our live. Hi, Samba. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your effort, everything, even your trust me when it comes to gambling. I know I'm salty regarding that gambling, but it's really fine. At least we won. Tumawa kayo dyan pag di kayo tumawa. Tumawa ka dyan, attorney. Artikulo tumawag nyo. Ay! Ano ba yun? Tatawagin pa naman kita ng Ba't ganyan naman ang pangalan? Yan. Hi, Marvin! Maballs! Pautang. 1,000 na lang yan. Dali na, guys. Dali na. Ipa-reach nyo sa akin si 30K. 30K, guys. 1K na lang. 1K na lang. 1K na lang, guys. Dali na. Iyak talaga ako dito pag may nag-send dyan ng sabi. Tangkino. Hindi tagalit? Next month na yan. Wag! Ano gagawin? Paburaot. 50-50 lang. Dali na. Mamaya, mamaya mag-end ako? I have a work. 12:1 a.m. Hala! Palo, wala na. Tapos na talaga yung cut-off. Wag na. Ba, thank you, ba. Love. Ba, do you have friends? Can I ask them to give me 1K wins one more time? One more time! Last na talaga. Iyak na ako dito guys Piste kayo Nani na. Leche, wag na kayo mag-send. Kung kaya pang 12. So, tapos pa lang limit lang. Guys, 12 a.m. is the limit of our bids. 1K only, guys. 1K only. 1K only. 1K. Dali. Someone help me. Hi, Fish, Elaine. Burnok. Hello kay Burnok. Burrak! Only. Oo naman na. 1,000 naman na talaga. I'm not asking for more. Sige, sandan mo ako. Wag na, be. Huwag ka na mag-RC. Mag-coke ka na lang. Mr. Pleasure, Apple TG, wala. Ay, no, guys. Na-excite na ako. Sana ma-reach ko 1K na lang talaga. Tony, sige na. Tapa na tayo, Tony. Hi, Alte. Welcome sa live na. Last 1K. Emoji, hello. Somebody's helping me. Someone help me, guys. Last 1K na lang. Road to 30K na tayo. Road to 30K. Hi, Eric. Welcome to our live. Ika, guys, magpapatugtog ako ng mga sad song. You know, guys, ba, Filipinos no money talaga. Filipinos no money. They don't have money. Look, ano ba English ng kapwa? Yun na lang. Okay, guys. I'm really serious about this. I'm begging, guys. Last 1K. Someone help me. Someone who willing to send. 1K or even 50 pesos, 100 only. I really appreciate it. Filipino, talaga. Filipino no money. Filipino no money. Puti pa mga ibang bansa namin pera. Wala talaga mabuhay sa Pinas. Huwag na dito tumira sa Pinas. Alam mo ba, girl, Gcash na lang. Huwag no, dito na. Sayang, maludouble pa to sa ano. Guys, last 1K na lang. Someone help me. Dan Pogi, hello. Ismail, hello Ismail. ID number, hello po. Somebody's watching me. Is my anxiety. Dan, taran, 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 taran. Patugtog tayo. Ay! Alam mo ba, girl? Thank you so much. May part ka sa akin. Ba! Do you have another pins? Can I ask more? If I'm too much, then tell me. I will behave na. You are the only one supporter who always sending me there. Or always saving me from the crucial part here in Vigo. Sinisingot ka na. Look! This is my only stress reliever and my